Hello everyone, it's Bruce Petrov with Ask Handyman Bruce. I want to show you a tip today that'll really help you when you're installing cabinets, either a sink base in a kitchen or a vanity cabinet in a bathroom. If this is going to help you, or if you think it's going to help you, please like the video and share it. We're going to show you in just a couple of minutes how to get that done. Alright, the first thing you need to do is measure off of the existing cabinet that you have in. Now, the thing to understand is how much overhang you have on the face frame of the cabinet. We have a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch on my sink base over here. So that means I'm going to be 1 inch off of my measurement. So the first thing I do is I come against the cabinet and I measure to my first pipe. So I've got 20 3/8. Now that's going to turn into 19 3/8. Because of that space. So now I come over to my cabinet, but the problem is I want to drill on the bottom of my cabinet, and if I measure on the inside, that's going to be off. So let me show you a tip so that you can not make a mathematical error. So you come here and we make a mark at 19 3/8. I'm hooked on the edge of the cabinet. Now I take my tape measure and go on the inside. That translates into 18 7/8 from the inside of the cabinet. So you can see I haven't done a bunch of mathematical subtraction, but I've just kind of simplified this whole thing and kind of made it dummy proof. So it's 18 7/8, and now I come down here. Now disregard these holes in the cabinet. We actually moved this cabinet from another location, so we're remounting this cabinet. So just disregard those. But I come down here and I put 18 7/8 on my floor. That tells me how far laterally I need to come over to drill my hole. So that's just a little tip for marking cabinets when you're putting them in to cut around plumbing pipes. I hope this is going to help you guys all in your projects. Let me know if you have tips that you can share with us.